Before we install the Studio, you should adjust some settings in Windows. Go to Search, search for UAC. Open User Account Control, and then when the User Account Control opens, pull that down to Never Notify. Select OK. Confirm the User Account Control settings by selecting Yes. Next, search for and open Windows Defender Firewall. Select Turn Windows Defender on and off. In this screen, turn all selections off. Select OK. Search for and open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Detection. Go to Manage Settings. Turn everything off while installing the software. Don't forget to turn it back on when done installing. After we install the software, we'll make an exclusion for the folder C, Valiani. Next, go to the Control Panel. Select Region. Select Additional Settings and check the decimal symbol and digit grouping symbol are both commas. This is an important step to synchronize these with the parameters of the machine. Select OK. Now we can proceed to install the Studio. Insert the USB key into the computer and go to the folder C, DV Studio. Right-click Setup, and then select Run as Administrator. Select Next. Select Next. It's also important that the computer is connected to the internet because at the end of installation we have to install the frame network to run the software. Press Continue. This is where you'll need to ensure you're connected to the internet. Select Next. Select Next. Select Finish. Select OK. Set the language to your language preference. In this case, we'll use English. Select Continue. The Studio is now installed. This is the icon. If the software prompts you to update to a new version, we recommend you first connect to the machine and then download the software updates.